Did you know that you could send all of your call transcripts and data from phone calls made in Frontdesk to any CRM platform? Stay till the end of this video and I'll show you how to integrate your Frontdesk with any CRM using Zapier. So first thing you're going to want to do is log in to myaifrontdesk.com. Next, you're going to want to make your way to Edit Receptionist right here on the left-hand corner, and that's where you'll scroll to Developer Automations. Once opened, you'll see a button for Zapier integrations, and go ahead and click that drop-down. You'll see an invite link as well as an API key and a username. These are important to have as we're going to need them later to create the account. Go ahead and copy that Zapier link, and we're going to paste that in a new tab. If you don't already have a Zapier account, this is where you'd create one, but I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once pasted, you'll see an Accept Invite and Build Zap button down here. You're going to want to create a new Zap by clicking the orange button on the top left. You're going to want to go ahead and click Trigger in order to search My AI Frontdesk. Once added, go ahead and under Trigger Events, add New Call Log. And then we're going to log into our account. So remember those API codes and the username I mentioned before? This is where you're going to want to paste them. So your account should be connected now. The next step is to make sure that the integration works. So let's test it. Now we're going to test the integration. In order to test the integration, you're going to want to call the number associated with your Frontdesk account. That call should then be logged and then sent over to your Zapier account. You should see a green check mark if your Zapier was integrated correctly. Now you can connect your CRM of preference and start connecting your calls to your CRM platform. We're going to be using HubSpot in this instance. Under Action, you're going to want to go and look up your CRM. Under Action Event, select the action that you would like the CRM to complete after the call has come in. Now you're going to want to choose the account that you want to connect to your CRM. You're going to want to finish your configurations and answer the questions and go ahead and test this connection. After configuring, go ahead and test this final step to ensure that your calls are being sent over properly. I hope this video was helpful when it came to the integration of your Frontdesk account to your CRM platform. Make sure to stay up to date at myaifrontdesk.com with new features and launches coming out